Today, I am reviewing ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop is one of those machines that immediately makes a strong impression. At first glance, its design strikes a balance between sleek modern looks and rugged durability, living up to the TUF series reputation. The subtle Jaeger gray finish with a clean TUF logo gives it a professional yet powerful vibe. But this laptop isn't just about looks. It's built for serious gaming, productivity, and demanding creative work, all while maintaining the durability that ASUS TUF machines are known for. Under the hood, the F16 is powered by the 14th Gen Intel Core i7-14650HX, a 16-core processor that can turbo boost up to 5.2 GHz. This is a very capable chip that rivals even some i9 models when it comes to performance. Paired with it is the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 GB of next-gen DDR5 memory. This GPU supports AI-driven DLSS4, ray tracing, and advanced rendering features that make games look incredibly lifelike while also keeping frame rates smooth. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running 3D modeling software, this setup is designed to handle it all with ease. The display is another standout feature. ASUS went with a 16-inch Full HD plus IPS panel running at a blazing 165 Hz refresh rate. With a 16:10 aspect ratio and 100% sRGB color coverage, the screen feels vibrant and immersive. Adaptive Sync ensures your games run without screen tearing or stuttering, which is especially noticeable in fast-paced shooters or racing titles. For both gamers and content creators, this display checks all the right boxes by providing both smooth motion and accurate color reproduction. When it comes to multitasking and storage, the ASUS TUF F16 comes with a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz, ensuring you'll never run out of memory even with multiple heavy applications open. On top of that, you get a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, which not only provides tons of space for your games, projects, and media, but also ensures lightning-fast boot times and application loading. To sweeten the deal, ASUS even includes a 128 GB portable SSD accessory, which is a thoughtful touch for gamers on the move. Cooling is a big deal for gaming laptops, and ASUS didn't cut corners here. The F16 features second-generation arc flow fans inspired by aircraft engines, a full-width heatsink, and integrated dust filters. These keep the laptop running cool even during long gaming sessions while maintaining durability over the long run. Despite packing in this much power, the laptop manages to stay relatively slim at just 0.7 inches thick and weighs only 5 pounds, making it portable enough for students, creators, or gamers who travel frequently. On the experience side, ASUS included plenty of features to make this laptop feel premium. You get a full-size RGB backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad, which not only looks great but also feels solid for both typing and gaming. For security, there's facial recognition login, which is quick and convenient. Audio is another highlight. Thanks to Dolby Atmos and high-res audio support, the speakers deliver surprisingly rich sound for a laptop, adding to the immersion whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or listening to music. Connectivity is excellent as well. With Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, multiple USB ports, RJ45 LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, the TUF F16 covers all your modern needs. You can easily connect to external monitors, gaming peripherals, and high-speed networks without compromise. Battery life is decent too, with up to 10 hours on a single charge, which is impressive considering the power inside. Overall, the ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop is a fantastic blend of power, durability, and value. It's clearly built for gamers who want smooth performance with the latest hardware, but it's also an excellent option for creators and professionals who need a machine that can handle heavy workloads. Between the 14th Gen Intel processor, RTX 5060 graphics, high refresh rate display, and massive memory and storage, this laptop feels like it's ready for the next few years of gaming and productivity. Add in features like facial recognition, Dolby Atmos sound, and military-grade toughness, and you've got a laptop that doesn't just perform well, but is also reliable for daily use. If you're in the market for a high-performance gaming laptop that offers both cutting-edge specs and long-term durability, the ASUS TUF F16 should definitely be on your radar. It delivers excellent value for its configuration and is one of the most well-rounded gaming laptops in its class right now.